Hello friends, how are you? আমরা আছি স্পিক ইংলিশ ক্লাসে। আজকের টপিক this and that and I am Sampurna Debnath. Listen and repeat. This, 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 that, 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 this, that, this, that. This and that are used to indicate something. This, that. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a mobile phone. This is a mobile phone. This is a mobile phone. That, that. That is a tree. That is a tree. That is a tree. That is a bus. That is a bus. That is a bus. This, that, this, that. This indicates a person or an object which is close to me. This is a pen. That indicates a person or an object which is far away from me. The moon. That is the moon. That is the moon. তোমরা এভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করবে। যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে লাইক দেবে, শেয়ার করবে এবং এই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে। তাহলে আজকে এই পর্যন্ত, আবার পরে ভিডিওতে দেখা হবে। বাই।